The purpose of the Analysis Data Model, or ADaM, is to provide a framework that enables analysis of the data, while at the same time allowing reviewers and other recipients of the data to have a clear understanding of the data's lineage from collection to analysis to results. ADaM defines the fundamental principles and standards to be followed when creating analysis datasets and associated metadata. ADaM documents include the ADaM model, an implementation guide, and additional guides that focus on examples of commonly used analysis-related structures. ADaM plays an important role in traceability. Traceability facilitates transparency, which is an essential component in building confidence in a result or conclusion. Ultimately, traceability permits the understanding of the relationship between the analysis results, the ADaM datasets, the SDTM datasets, and the data collection instrument. Traceability is built by clearly establishing the path between an element and its immediate predecessor. The ADaM model outlines the fundamental principles to follow in constructing analysis datasets and defines 4 different structures: analysis datasets, analysis variables, information about analysis parameters, and results. The ADaM Implementation Guide, or ADaM-IG, specifies the standardized implementation of these principles and should be used in close concert with the ADaM model. The ADaM-IG specifies ADaM standard dataset structures and variables, including naming conventions. It also specifies standard solutions to common implementation issues. Additionally, the ADaM model and the ADaM-IG support analysis examples shown in CDISC Therapeutic Area User Guides and other ADaM example documents, including ADaM Basic Data Structure for Time-to-Event Analyses, ADaM examples in commonly used statistical analysis methods, and ADaM structure for occurrence data. ADaM groups data into standard data structures. It has 3 defined standard data structures. They are the Subject Level Analysis Dataset, or ADSL, the Basic Data Structure, or BDS, and the Occurrence Data Structure, or OCCDS. These standard data structures are defined in the model by the set of variables available within each that are used to represent the data around the concepts inherent to that structure. Most data can fit into one of these 3 structures. There is a 4th general structure to accommodate all remaining analysis data needs, which is called the ADaM Other data structure. The Subject Level Analysis Dataset, or ADSL structure, contains 1 record per subject and contains variables such as subject-level population flags, planned and actual treatment variables, demographic information, randomization factors, subgrouping variables, and important dates. ADSL contains required variables as specified in the ADaM-IG, plus other subject-level variables that are important in describing a subject's experience in the trial. ADSL and its related metadata are required in a CDISC-based regulatory submission of data from a clinical trial, even if no other analysis datasets are submitted. A basic data structure, or BDS, contains 1 or more records per subject, per analysis parameter, per analysis time point. This structure contains a central set of variables that describes the analysis parameter and contains the value being analyzed. The BDS supports parametric and non-parametric analyses. However, it was not designed to support analysis of incidence of adverse events or other occurrence data. Analysis of such data is supported in the OCCDS. The Occurrence Data Structure, or OCCDS, supports occurrence analysis, which is based on counting subjects with a given record or term, and often includes a structured hierarchy of dictionary coding categories. In addition to the 3 standard data structures, ADaM data may be captured in a structure called ADaM Other, which does not follow one of the 3 defined structures, but does follow ADaM fundamental principles. The ADaM-IG also covers fundamental principles of the ADaM standard and implementation issues, standard solutions, and examples. The fundamental unit of the ADaM-IG is the dataset. Datasets are composed of a group of variables from the class to which they belong, in addition to any variables needed for traceability, listing purposes, supportive purposes, or any reason that a variable may be needed. All datasets are described in a specifications table, and each is laid out the same way. The first column lists the variable names in an order in which they may appear in a dataset, although there is no ADaM requirement as to the order. Next, the variable label provides a description of the variable. The variable type is either char for character or num for numeric. The next column shows any required controlled terminology for populating this variable and includes links to the published code list when applicable. The CDISC Notes column helps to better understand how this variable is used in this dataset and may provide examples of how it could be populated. Finally, the core column dictates whether the variable is required, conditionally required, or permissible for the dataset. Additional ADaM documents are available that illustrate implementation examples around a specific topic, such as time-to-event analysis and commonly used statistical analysis methods. The ADaM standard works with other CDISC standards to ensure that the data can flow in a transparent and traceable way, from collection to tabulation to analysis and reporting. You can learn more about the suite of CDISC standards by exploring other videos that are part of the CDISC Primer.